Hi guys, it's Blackie. Do me a favor, if you enjoyed this content, please hit that like button before you go. I'd really appreciate it. Now, recently I talked about how Kaufman's Military Surplus in Sampson got more of these two-sided Marine Corps tarps in. And there's something that's part of these tarps you need to know about. It gets a little sticky when it gets hot. And when it does, and you go to pull it apart, it's like, you know, skinning something. It don't want to slide apart. And so I was talking to a combat vet from the Desert War, and he said, yeah, we had that problem too. And what we did was we put baby powder in them. Okay, so what I did was I took my tarp and I laid it out over a card table out in the yard, and I sprinkled a little bit of baby powder on it, just took my hand and smeared it everywhere. And it does make a difference. It comes apart a whole lot easier now than it did before. I mean, it was like skinning a cat. You just couldn't hardly peel this thing apart. They're very good tarps, but the thing about it is, it's because of that. So they're a little sticky with each other, and it's the material to the material is what it is. But with a little bit of baby powder, they come apart a lot easier. I mean, this is easy compared to what it was, believe me. It took the four of us up there at Pathfinder to pull the thing apart. But put a little bit of baby powder on it and it will come apart easy. Now the other thing that I recommend doing for these is doing a penny mod. And what a penny mod is in English is you're going to just put a pull point in the middle of them because they don't have one. Now it's not a defect in material. This is, from what I understand, this is where these tarps were when they were new and in service. And so a lot of the guys complained about them being sticky. And that was because of the silicone they used. Now a penny mod, right there, is all it is in the exact center of this tarp. Take the tarp and pull it out tight, fold it in half again, and find that point, so that all the edges on this side and this is on the other end where all the folds are. So if I fold all four corners together and do like this, that's that point. That's your center. And all that is literally a penny pushed up from the inside, and then I just tied real tight around it and left a loop. How do you do the loop? Take the long piece of cord you're going to use, double it in half, and tie this loop first. Then you take that two tails and go around that penny and start tying it back and forth to make that. That makes a pull out for the center of this tarp. And it makes it a lot more useful, especially when you're setting it up in diamond configuration or whenever you're setting it up as a lean-to to pull it back and open it up. Okay? So, they still have these down there at Kaufman's Military Surplus. They're going to be a little sticky. That's the nature of the beast of these. I've got like 5 of these tarps. I've been using them for years, you know, at least back from 2016 up. I've had these in my videos. They've held up well. They've done really, 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 really good. But yes, when they get hot, they're sticky. Just the nature of the beast. But baby powder does make it a lot better. Okay? Now when you call up those ladies down there at Kaufman's Military Surplus, and the price when I talked to them last time was $25, and the phone number is right here, which is 334-898-1770, as I recall. Tell them that Blackie sent you, and they'll hand select. Now these are going to have a hole or two in them. That's their military turn-ins. But they'll look and see if they can get you one that's got the least amount of holes in it, you know what I mean? And something with a little bit of duct tape you can patch up and have a very good usable tarp. So, for those of you that have asked, Blackie, where you got it? That's why. And Blackie, I got one, but these things are sticky. That's the way they were in the military, and that's how the military took care of it. The combat vet said baby powder or cornstarch. Either one worked well. Hope this works for you guys. Please leave any questions or comments down below. And you combat vets, was there some other trick you knew about these tarps? If so, put it down in the comments. We'd really appreciate it, and we'll spread it out to everybody. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie, wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.